Hello, welcome to this to my world, and this is the voice of Atumishe Oludele, and I want to welcome you to my free online business training tag starting 2020 stronger with Oludele. And what this is all about, it is an online business training with Oludele. My training focus or our training focus shall be on the following online business model as you can see on the screen. The reason behind this is that many people are frustrated, disappointed, and also believe that it is not possible to make money on the internet just because they jump into any of these online business training without proper knowledge or basic requirement, without knowing what is required on their part before they join it. For everyone that is seeking admission into a university or higher institution or any higher institution for that matter, you must have the prerequisite qualification that qualifies you to be admitted into that school. And that is same thing with online business. Online business is not something you can just jump into and think that it is a bed of roses. No, there are things that you have to know. There are some mindset you must put in place. There are some basic things that you must learn and what is required to start any of this online business. If not so, you'll be frustrated, disappointed, and believe that making money online is a lie. But I will tell you that it's a big truth that you can make good money on the internet if you know what it takes and you enter it with proper knowledge and mindset. And that is the reason for this starting 2020 stronger with Oludele Atumishe, which is an online business training where I will be focusing on affiliate marketing, e-commerce and importation business, niche blogging, information marketing, and lots more. And the training shall be live stream via Skype, where I will be sharing my computer screen in a practical term, where I will be showing you step by step what is required, what are the things needed for you to successfully start your business from the scratch, what are the requirements on your part, technical knowledge you need to have, the price you need to pay, the tools you must put in place. Imagine someone that want to start affiliate business and such a person doesn't have a laptop and you want to start affiliate marketing, and some people will deceive you and say it is possible. I will tell you that it's a big lie that you can start affiliate marketing with a phone. That's just the truth. So there are things you must put in place before you can consider yourself qualified to join any or to start or any of this business. And these are the things I will be highlighting, what you need to know, and then preparing your mindset for what to expect and how to go into it, starting from the scratch and be successful doing it. So like I said, the training shall be live streamed via Skype, where I'll be sharing my computer screen in a practical term, showing step by step of what you need, how to go about it, and many other things. And now during every training session, among other things that you will learn the basic requirements, knowledge needed to successfully set up your business from the scratch, either doing e-commerce or doing affiliate marketing, e-commerce, niche blogging, information marketing, or any other genuine or legitimate online business I may bring your way. So during every of our training session, so I will be showing you the requirement and basic knowledge needed, and every knowledge session we shall be taking it one after the other. In each session, sometimes we may consider starting with our affiliate marketing, or from there we move to mini importation and e-commerce. From there we move to niche blogging, information marketing, and any other genuine online business that you may like to join. So now, haven't you know this or get this? Now, what are the conditions needed for you to join this training group? Because like I told you that the training will be live streamed via Skype, and it will be live streamed via Skype. So what do you need to do to join the classroom or the training room? First thing is that you need to download and install Skype on your device, either mobile or on your PC. And having done that, create your Skype account and activate it and make it live and active. Then after then you can join the training room via the link I will show you in a moment. But before I go, this is the training group that is already live and active. As you can see, we have already 19 participants in the group, online business training with Omidele. So here I will be teaching you some other things, and so these are the is the group already, and people are already in the group, and I can see. So how do you join this group like all other 19 participants that are there already? What you need to do, like I said, download and install Skype on your device, either mobile or PC. Then create your Skype account and activate it. Then join the training room, join this training room through the link, and through the link I will show you below now. And not only that, if you already have Skype installed on your device, then you are good to go to join the training room just now. And how do you do that one? Just join the training room via the link below. This is the link. If you look at this link, you can see https dot colon slash // join.skype.com, and then you can see on the screen, this is the link to join. Of course, I will make this link available in the description section of the YouTube page that you are watching. So just click on this, and then you are good to go to join. And then all the join is other. And again, one thing you must do, that when you click on this and it takes you to the joining page, make sure you don't join as a guest, but you join using sign in. Using sign in or create button if you are new or existing Skype user. Just let's quickly do a practical term about how to join using this. What you need to do, if you are on tab, either on devices, either on PC, on your device, just click on it and it will open a new tab for you to do or to join. If you already have Skype installed on devices before, all you just need to click on this link. Just click on this link and it will take you to the training room and you join. So let's assume that you have clicked on the link like this, and so let's assume that you have joined, or you have clicked on the link like this, and it will take you to the training room. How to join the training room? It will take you to okay, as you can see now, that after the link has been copied, you will click. When you click on the link, it will open a new tab for you, and as you can see on the screen, that's opened a new tab for me to join the training room. Now if I'm on PC, I will click open URL Skype. So you get it if I'm on PC, because I'm accessing my Skype on PC. But the part you need to take note, it basically is here. You can see that you have been invited to join a Skype conversation. Now the option you have to take, please don't click on join as a guest. Don't join as a guest, because you want to be a member of that training room. So guest is someone that will come and go, but as a member you remain there, and then you get updates about new training date and what you are doing and the future plan in the group or in the training room. So don't click on join as a guest. So what you need to do is click on sign in or create. So you sign in. When you click on this one, it serves a dual purpose. As a existing Skype user, you will click on this one, or someone that is new to Skype, you click on this one. So don't click on join as a guest. So that is the process. So and when you click on this, then you will be able to log in as a existing Skype user. But when you click on this, if you are not Skype user account holder, then your own is to create. For example, now let's say you click on sign in. When you click on sign in, excuse me please, let me click on open URL. Okay, and then when you click on sign in, so this is what you click on. Don't click on this one for no reason. So click on this. Excuse me. When you click on sign in or create, as a existing Skype user or new to Skype, just click on this. So you will be able to sign in as existing Skype user or create your account as someone that is new to Skype platform. So that is the importance of clicking on that button. So please don't click on login as a guest. No. So can you see now? So if you are an existing Skype, you just enter your email address or your phone number or your Skype ID to sign in. Maybe you enter that one. For example, like I want to log in. You know, if you look at it here, I'm already signed in on Skype. So I'm already active on Skype. But for example now, if you are not active on Skype, what you need to just type your username or your email address that you used to create your account. For example, if I want to log in, I'll just type my Skype user ID, and I will click on next. Here you get it. But now, if you are the one that doesn't have a Skype account before, you have to click on create one. But I will strongly advise that before you even get here, before you even start at all, it's better you download Skype on your devices. For mobile user, just go to Google Play and download Skype app on your devices, and then you are good to go. And if you are a PC user, then you can search for Skype. I think you can search for Skype. There's a PC application, Skype PC application. Can you see now? Can you see? Download Skype for desktop available for Windows. So just Google search and then just say Skype PC download or Skype for PC. So just click on this one. You can see now when you click on this, you follow the prompt to how to download and install it, so that you can also access your Skype on your personal computer. But for the mobile user, just go to Google Play. Like you want to download any of the application on your, just type Skype and then you will get it installed, download, install on your device, and you are good to go to use it both on your mobile and on your PC. So I haven't done that. Either you have downloaded it on your PC or you have downloaded it and installed it on your mobile. Then when you click and you follow the instructions to this far, all you just need to sign in with your user ID or your email address or your phone number, and then click next until you get to the last option where you are in. And the minute you are done that, then you are join the group. So that is how to go about joining this online training group that we shall be talking about affiliate marketing, e-commerce and mini importation, niche blogging, information marketing, and lots more. So without wasting much of our time, I want to remind you that don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel, whereby you'll be able to receive subsequent business online business training notification whenever I upload a new video on the YouTube. To upload for you to you can just follow me, you can join my channel on YouTube, and all you need to do is just click on the subscribe button below, and immediately you click on the subscribe button below, you go further to hit the bell icon, whereby that one can see hit the bell icon for notification. So you are just to do two things at a time: subscribe to the channel and hit the bell icon for notification. The notification is that if you hit the bell icon, anytime there's a new video, you will receive it through your email address. So that is that. So don't forget to subscribe so that you can be notified anytime there is a new video that will be uploaded to the channel, so that you can be the first partaker, beneficiary of that video. I believe that you are got the knowledge and the reason behind this training, and how you can be part of this training class, online business training with Oludele. I will be expecting you to be part of this training class. We are already, like I said, we already have 19 participants already, and I believe that you will soon join this fellow that are here. As you can see, that we have them already. So you can join as soon as you also you can, so you will soon join them immediately you follow the instruction on this video. So thanks for watching this video. It has been the first opportunity. Once again, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and also click on the notification bell so that you can be notified of new video when it is available on the channel. Thanks once again. Watch out for the notification about the first training in our training classroom with Oludele Atiniche. Thanks once again. God bless you. Bye.